Historical POV videos are blowing up right now. People wake up as a Roman soldier, a medieval knight, or a Viking warrior, all from a first-person perspective. They're getting millions of views, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make them. Head over to our website and click GPT Library in the sidebar. In the search bar at the top, type Historical POV and click Start Chat. Once the ChatGPT window opens, click Start. The GPT will ask you 3 simple questions. First, choose a historical era. We'll go with medieval Europe. Next, choose a country or region. We'll pick England. Finally, choose the role you want to experience. We'll choose Knight. Then click Send. The GPT builds the entire production package for you. You get 6 scenes that tell a complete story, from waking up in the morning to the final moment of the day. Each scene includes a photorealistic image prompt written entirely in first-person POV, plus a matching image-to-video prompt that continues naturally from that image. Now copy the first image prompt and head over to Higgsfield. Go to the Image tab and select Nano Banana Pro. Paste in the prompt. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Set the quality to 2K. Then click Generate. That's your opening scene. You wake up inside a medieval castle, looking down at your armored hands as the morning light shines through the stone window. Moving on, go back to GPT and copy the second image prompt. Keep the same settings, paste in the new prompt, and click Generate. Now you'll get 4 variations of the same scene. I like the second one the most. It has fewer visual artifacts, and the lighting looks much more natural. Repeat the same process for all 6 scenes. Just copy the next image prompt, keep the same settings, and click Generate. By the end, you'll have a complete set of 6 scenes that tell one continuous historical story. Once all 6 images are ready, it's time to animate them. Go to the Video tab and choose Kling 3.0. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Paste it into the prompt box, then upload scene 1 as the reference image. Set the duration to 5 seconds, set the resolution to 4K, and click Generate. Now your image comes to life. The knight wakes up naturally with subtle movement, realistic lighting, and cinematic camera motion. For the next clip, remove the previous prompt and reference image. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the second video prompt. Paste it into the prompt box, upload scene 2 as the reference image, keep the same settings, and click Generate. And here's what we got. The same knight walks into the castle courtyard, keeping the same look, environment, and historical atmosphere. Repeat the same process for the remaining scenes. Each time, copy the next video prompt, upload the matching scene as the reference image, and generate. Once all 6 clips are finished, you'll have a complete cinematic story that follows a medieval knight through an entire day, from waking up inside a castle to preparing for battle, with realistic lighting, natural movement, and immersive first-person POV throughout. Just import them into your favorite video editor, place the clips on the timeline in order, and export your final video. You'll end up with a cinematic historical POV short that feels like the viewer actually traveled back in time. We just opened our own school and Discord community. Come join us. You'll get the GPTs, the prompts, and the full tutorials inside. The links are in the description, so jump in.